So there hasn't been a ton of talk about the ClickFunnels 2.0 version. However, there's certainly been some sneak peeks and kind of behind the curtain footage, which I want to share with you compliments of the ClickFunnels blog post. Without any further ado, let's get right on into it. They have announced it, they've talked about it, but overall, it's been pretty much kind of like, it's like a secret. It's like you can see some of it, but you can't see all of it. Let's take a look and a walk through some of the features that you can expect when it comes to ClickFunnels 2.0. And no, unfortunately, as of creating this video, they don't have an exact release date when it's going to be launched. They also don't have the pricing for it. I'm not sure if current ClickFunnels users are going to be grandfathered in, or it's going to be more, it's going to be less. I really don't know that yet, but when I do know, I will be making quite a few videos, and I'll be updating you. So first and foremost, new funnel hub. Something I noticed is that ClickFunnels is kind of looking like they're going to be getting a facelift, and that's always a cool thing. I mean, it's visually more attractive. It says the funnel hub is the new modern website and funnel building headquarters. It's where you'll find your back-end navigation, okay? So if it's easier to get around and do things, that's fine by me. Not too much there when it comes to features. That's more of, I guess, user engagement and how you use the platform. Visual automation builder. Our new visual automation builder allows you to seamlessly customize the flow of a funnel and individual pages of that funnel. So this looks pretty nifty. Before they had like on the side right here, where you would have your steps, your next step under it. This is more of a visual thing. It's kind of like email automation, where it's more of a flow and a builder, as they call it. So that's pretty cool. I feel like that's the way going forward when it comes to a lot of software. If you've seen like ActiveCampaign, you'll see emails look exactly like this, where if they go here, if they say no, they go here. If they say yes, they go there. Something like that, but that's pretty cool. Faster load speed. It's funny because there's been a lot of competitors of ClickFunnels, and usually it's like we're much faster than ClickFunnels. So it's cool to see that this wasn't their strongest point and they're working on it. So we tested it. ClickFunnels 2.0 doesn't just load faster than 1.0, loads faster than every single market competitor. That will be interesting to see, but compared to what they have right here, these are their times and their load speed. Granted, that's an interesting comparison to make, because load speed is going to have an effect like on a lot of things, how long the sales letter is, if there's video on it, and so on and so forth. But I guess that's something we'll have to find out. You can't complain about that. CRM funnels. Build internal workflows for converting prospects into customers using our new custom CRM funnels. Follow up, close deals, and support your customers. Very similar to like an Infusionsoft type of thing. Infusionsoft being one of their biggest competitors. I'm not sure if they are anymore, because ClickFunnels has done pretty well lately in the past few years, but that's cool to see. Team collaboration, there's no picture there, but the Funnel Hub allows you to more seamlessly collaborate with team members, giving the right access to the right people, and you get the idea. E-commerce features, in case there's any of you out there who love selling physical products, you can build a full-fledged e-commerce store with a shopping cart and member login capabilities. So you could technically do this. You had to kind of piece together a few things, but it seems like this is more of built just for e-commerce. It's like if you want to do e-commerce, use this instead of trying to figure out, multiple steps and putting them together. I have a feeling that's going to attract a lot of the e-commerce people who want to use ClickFunnels. It's just going to make your life easier if you're looking to do that, and that's always a good thing. Cart funnels. This looks cool. Create shopping cart funnels for individual products on your site to optimize the entire buying experience. So as opposed to like a shopping cart, it appears you can just add just a bigger shopping cart where you say like, I want to add this to cart. I want to add that to cart. I want to add this. As you can see here, just as an example, they have like a general admission to their Funnel Hacking Live, virtual admission. They want to get ClickFunnels Platinum. They want to get a hoodie and the One Funnel Away program. That's pretty cool, because before it was more so like, I want to buy this. It shows up on the shopping cart. You click on the order bump, which also, I love that feature. And here now they can just go nuts. I like that. New course builder. Thank you. My goodness. We've rehauled our course builder to be more modern and competitive with other software services. Choose a template, build your course, and sell it with our tried and tested sales funnels. Okay. In my opinion, I love ClickFunnels, but the whole membership/course section was their weakest aspect. Aside from load speed, I don't think their load speed was all that bad. It's great that it's being improved, but they seriously needed a revamp when it comes to all the courses and memberships. So it is awesome to see that. Big thumbs up there. New blog builder. You can now build a beautiful blog and publish blog posts wherever you want. That's cool, I guess. I'm still, no matter how many landing pages and sales funnels come out that I love, actually there's two that I love the most. I like a lot of them, but there's two that I really like, ClickFunnels being one of them. I'm still not big on blog posts. I always recommend doing WordPress, maybe because I'm an SEO guy. I've been doing it for a long time. I'd rather control the actual website and asset on hosting. Plus the hosting is going to be much better. Like if something goes down, you need a technical problem. I just always prefer that. Plus hosting is really cheap. It's like $50 a year with a website. With a domain, no big deal. New Pages Builder, okay, well, they got that. Sophisticated email workflows. I talked about Active Campaign before, right? This is pretty much just like it. You can create and trigger more sophisticated email workflows with ClickFunnels 2.0 based upon user behavior. This is perfect. And look at the workflow of it. This flows nicely. It's easier to do. It's easier to follow. I will say that when it used to be called the Edison Suite, that was their email marketing section, which is now ClickFunnels Platinum, I believe. It was a little bit more challenging. They had like a lot of steps going on, but this is much better where you say, okay, we have a trigger here. What happens? We send an email. So if they open it, like it's a yes, then we can do this. If no, it's that. And it's cool because it looks like you can just drag these specific options here. They're definitely modernizing it. They're seeing what else competitors are doing, which is, you have to do that as a software. Plus, if there's anyone that's been doing that to ClickFunnels, it's a lot of the other software tools. So it's a back and forth game. Kind of happens. And look at this. I am even more happy. I talked about course building and membership sites. I guess those are two separate things, or maybe it goes hand in hand. I don't know, but I love this. You can now build clean and beautiful membership sites with ClickFunnels 2.0, allowing members to log in and access their exclusive content. I truly hope that when it says this right here, allowing members to log in, there's something, I know Kajabi and I'm pretty sure Kartra do this, where if you purchase, say, something from Guru XYZ, you purchase one course and then you purchase another course. When you log in, there'll be a dashboard where it says like course 1 and course 2. Instead of having all of these different logins, I really like that. It shows like a library of the courses that you've bought from someone. And that makes it so much easier for customers, and not only customers, but customer support, to handle any questions that they might have. Like I lost my password, whatever it is, but everything's going to be all in one. It's easier, it's cleaner, it's less headaches. And I hope they do that when it comes to having all purchased products in one spot. But once again, this does look so much more clean and beautiful as it says. I'm really looking forward to that. That's my biggest thing moving forward. I want to see the memberships and the course builder. I really hope they do improve on that, simply because they were a little weak with those in the past. They needed a lot of improvements, and it looks like they're doing exactly that. Email broadcast. Build an email list and send individual emails to your subscribers with our new drag and drop email editor. Pretty simple stuff. Looks like an email marketing builder. I mean, this is kind of similar to what they had before. I'm not big on images. They usually have a higher chance of getting you in the sin bin, which is the spam box. I call the sin bin. Anyway, customer center. Perfect. This was something they didn't have before, and I was always talking about how other sales funnel builders had the edge over ClickFunnels because they did have customer support center. It's just something that you didn't need to go out there and have, but it looks like they're going to have this, which is cool. I like that. Or wait, customer, did I read that wrong? Where your customers can access. Okay, I think this is more of talking about where someone can log in and access all of their courses. So I might have gotten that wrong. Where customers can access their paid content. So I think that's what that is. I was confusing that with customer support. Maybe it is, and I'm just, reading too much. We'll find out. Universal elements. You can rebuild the same header or footer on multiple pages. Now you can make the element universal. Okay, so you can kind of template things and use it. Real-time analytics, that's cool. If you're one of those people who love seeing your real-time stats, I mean, who doesn't? Especially when the money's coming in, right? Simultaneous page editing, sophisticated funnel flows, that's cool. This is more looking like an active campaign type of thing. And so when's it happening? Okay, we'll officially go live in 2022. We are in 2022, but it has not gone live yet as of creating this video. But if you want to keep up to date so you know when more updates come with ClickFunnels and other sales funnel software, landing page software, email, pretty much any software or marketing, I'm going to be covering it. Feel free to subscribe. I will be talking more about this. I do like ClickFunnels. I'm a very big fan, to say the least. I like a lot of software, but ClickFunnels is something special because it really helped me many years ago when I first got started with it. That's about it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that's the update when it comes to ClickFunnels 2.0. More updates about this specific software in the future, and until then, I will talk to you soon.